have made a wrong diary of GT. Advantage of reviewing with study partner is the accountability. Hey guys, this is Dr. Asha Ansari. So when I said November exam is done and dusted, जिनका एग्जाम बहुत अच्छा गया उन्हें many congratulations. And those who are in dilemma, just hope for the best and take this exam as a GT and an experience of a real exam situation. So many of you have texted me on my Instagram to make videos on GT. So I have decided to put this video first and later I will put the video of how to manage your bad days during your preparation phase, because everyone faces a rough time in their preparation phase, and I will try to address each one of them and tell you guys how you can manage those days effectively. So in this video I have made a short GT vlog to make you guys understand how my GT day looks like and how I used to review my GT. So, hope this video helps and watch the video till the end so that you don't miss on any important point. And if you are someone who are new to my channel, if you found the video useful, then do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. And so, without any delay, let's start the video. So, I generally used to wake up at 6:30 in the morning. This is my small study space where I used to sit and study and give any exam. And then I used to open the Discord and study from 7 to 9. Generally, I used to study the GT diary where I have written all the wrong points which I have made in the previous GTs. I used to go through them once before appearing for next GT, and it has really helped me a lot. And from 9 to 9:30 I used to have my breakfast, and in most of the days I had only muesli with milk because it is high fiber diet and it's really beneficial for health. And from 9:30 to 10 I used to sit blank in front of my laptop. I don't know how it may sound to you guys, but yeah, I used to practice this exercise to create the anxiety of GT and simulate the feeling of actual exam in front of my laptop.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And from 10 to 1:30 I usually used to give my GT. I know this is not the ideal time because the real exam time is from 9 to 12:30, but the marrow window period closes at 2 o'clock, so I used to give it in this times, and I get the half an hour window from 1:30 to 2. In that I used to have my lunch, and after having the lunch I start to review my GT from 2 o'clock, and I usually used to give the GT on the last day of marrow window period so that I can review the GT on the same day. Checklist while giving GT is that first read the last line first. You need to be calm and composed, be present in the moment, and try not to zone out. Make your first read with utmost concentration because that is the most important, and try to visualize the scenario present in the question, and focus on keywords. Don't be PYQ biased. And definitely look for the trappers like accept, correct, incorrect. Some questions can be solved by retrograde analysis, that is, start with the options and work backwards and trace back to the possible causes or premises and eliminate options that don't lead to the desired outcome. Read all the options very carefully and identify and eliminate obviously incorrect answers, and analyze remaining option and eliminate those that are less plausible, and make an informed decision from the remaining options. Most importantly, don't get stuck on one question. Manage your time effectively, mark for review, and move forward. And at last, come back to that question and review it again, because some questions demand more time and require more clinical acumen to solve it. एंड लास्टली मैं जितना भी ज्ञान दे दूँ इट विल नॉट हेल्प यू गाइज until and unless you solve more and more GTs and practice more and more MCQs, because then only you will be able to develop strategic thinking and decision making, because solving question in a GT is an art that develops gradually, and regular practice of MCQs hones reflexes and instincts, and then only you will be able to identify patterns and connections while solving the MCQ, and it will gradually enhance your confidence and reduce exam anxiety. So this is first half of my day, and second half of my day usually goes in reviewing the GTs, and analyzing your GT mistake is very important to improve your GT scores and you don't repeat that mistake in the real exam. So now let me show you that how I used to review the GTs. So for reviewing the GT, I used to review it on the same day. And during initial phase of my preparation, I have made a wrong diary of GT. And if you are someone who are making the wrong diary, then you must ensure to read that diary every day for 30 minutes, because making a wrong diary takes so much effort, and all your effort will go in vain if you will not read that diary again. Also go through it once before your next GT so that you don't repeat your mistakes. And my order of reviewing the GT was to first I used to review the negatives, then the left questions, then the guessed questions, and then the right question. So how I used to review my negatives was I used to analyze the conceptual error or whether it is a factual error. If it's a factual error, then it goes in my choti copy, and if it's a conceptual error, then I used to read the explanation very carefully and understand from the explanation itself. And if I cannot understand from the explanation, then I used to refer the main notes if required. Then I used to review the left questions. If it's a new information, then I used to add it in BTR. And if I have left the question because I was confused between options, then just clear the differentiating point between the confused options. And then guessed question review. I used to see that whether I have guessed that question was my logic and the logic given in the explanation is same or not. If it's yes, then well and good, and if it's no, then I used to read the explanation to avoid negatives in my next GT. And then I used to review the right questions, and for the right question I just used to review it very quickly, and only read the bold points or the bold points which are written in explanation, and just go through the right questions very quickly. And this was regarding my initial phase of my preparation. During the last 4 to 5 months of my preparation, making GT diary, wrong GT diary was very time consuming, so I used to review my GT with my study partner. And the biggest advantage of reviewing with study partner is the accountability, that you are giving the GT on the same day, on the same time, and after a small break you both are ready to review it together. Sometimes we just used to procrastinate that कि हाँ चलो कर लेंगे रिव्यू, बट वी डोंट रियली do it GT review on the same day. So reviewing with your study partner gives you the accountability that you review it on the same day. And whenever we used to review together, we used to review it subject wise, and the one she got negative and I got it correct, I just used to explain her what was my thought process behind solving that particular MCQ, and vice versa, that what she got correct and I got incorrect. She used to explain me that what was the thought process behind solving that MCQ for her. And the question which we both got correct, we just read the bold points in the explanation. And reviewing together also clears some of your concepts by your study partner. And then whatever extra information we found, we used to add that in BTR. And also we push and encourage each other to review the GT on the same day. So in this way I have used both the methods of reviewing, that is making a wrong GT diary and reviewing the GT with my study partner. You guys just figure it out that which method suits you best and enhance your productivity and effectiveness of your preparation. And if you guys have any more query regarding GTs, then do let me know in the comment section. So yeah, that's it. This is from my side. Hope this video helps, and if it does so, then do hit the like button, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, happy studying.